Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Candace Jenet, and today we're going to be doing a silk press. This is my naturally curly hair. I only have leave-in conditioner in here and water. So yeah, we're going to be pressing it out, and I'm going to show you step by step. In the next clip, I'm going to show you all the products that I'm using today. Y'all, so this is all the products that I'm going to be using for my hair: the blow dryer, some conditioner, this Chi essential care kit, and then this titanium flat iron I got for my job. So yeah, this is what we're using. So y'all, so now that my hair is freshly washed, what you want to do is take a little bit of conditioner, about that much, and we're gonna spread it all over your hair, and you're gonna leave this on for about 10 minutes underneath a shower cap. We're gonna put it under a shower cap, and then we're gonna blow dry it while it's under here for 10 minutes. So you want to set a timer. Okay y'all, so now that I'm done washing all that out, I also forgot to mention you want to wash it out with lukewarm or cold water. Now I'm gonna go in with my Silk Infusion by Chi. I'm not gonna use a lot because I don't want my hair to be oily, so I'm probably gonna use just about that much. And then we're gonna go into blow drying the hair, and then sectioning off, and then flat ironing our hair.
Would I leave if you were everything I wanted you to be? When I saw what you did, who you were with, got me questioning the things that I believe. So I asked myself, do I let you go? Do I keep you in the frame of my mind? Now I'm growing wise to your sugar-coated lies. Nothing sweet about my misery, yeah. Would I leave if you were everything I wanted you to be? When I saw what you did, who you were with, got me questioning the things that I believe. So I asked myself, do I let you go? sugar-coated lies. Nothing sweet about my misery. Yeah. I finally found what was wrong. You think I finally found the wrong in you. You think I finally found what was wrong. You think I finally found the wrong in you. You think myself, do I let you go? Do I keep you in the frame of my mind? And I'm growing wise through a sugar-coated life. Nothing sweet about my misery. Yeah. I finally found what was wrong. I finally found the wrong in you. I finally found what was wrong. I finally found the wrong in you. Don't want to feel you, don't want you on my mind. Don't want to feel you, don't want you on my mind. Don't want to feel you, don't want you on my mind, on my mind, on my mind, mind. Would I leave if you were everything I wanted you to be? When I saw what you did, who you were with, got me questioning the things that I believe. So I ask myself, do I let you go? Do I keep you in the frame of my mind? Now I'm growing wise to your sugar-coated lies. Nothing sweet about my misery. Yeah. I finally found what was wrong. You think I finally found the wrong in you. You think I finally found what was wrong. You think I finally found the wrong in you. You think So I ask myself, do I let you go? Do I keep you in the frame of my mind? Now I'm growing wise to your sugar-coated lies. Nothing sweet about my misery. I finally found what was wrong. You think I finally found the wrong in you. You think I finally found what was wrong. You think I finally found the wrong in you. You think don't you feel, don't you on my mind, don't you feel, don't you on my mind, don't you feel, don't you on my mind, on my mind, on my mind, 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 mind. Would you stay? Would I leave if you were everything I wanted you to be? When I saw what you did, who you were with, got me questioning.
Alright, y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. This is the finished product. Let me show y'all from behind. This is the finished product. So sleek. I need a trim bag. If I had a trim, I'm pretty sure it would look way healthier than what it does, but I haven't had a good trim in a couple months. But let's just get into it. Let's just get into the silkiness of it. Let's get into the silkiness. Yeah, it's getting real silky. But yeah, if y'all like this video, make sure y'all give it a thumbs up. Make sure y'all like, comment, share, and subscribe. All my products will be listed in the description box. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you get all my notifications when I upload. And I will see y'all in the next video.